Start with point and shoot cameras. Esther, can you please show me the P500? Thank you. Julie, this is actually a camera meant for beginners. People who don't particularly want to know much about photography, but they still want to take decent pictures at home, travel pictures, even game park, because it's got a very powerful zoom lens. And it's a lightweight camera, really a super camera for beginners. Have a look.
I like the...
Yeah, it's got the tilt screen, compact, lightweight, like I said, and very comfortable to hold.
I like this.
The grip is nice. All in all, it's a good beginner camera. Esther, please show me the next one, which is the B600. Now, this is the bigger brother of the B500. Is the B600, which has got a bigger zoom, 60 times zoom, still all the same features, beginner's camera, lightweight, comfortable to hold.
And this one they took out the screen.
Yeah, that's they don't have a tilt screen in this one.
It's still very light. I like
That's
it.
right, yeah.
Very nice.
You like it, don't you? Good.
Very nice. I would
Now-
enjoy it.
Good. Now the P600?
P900.
Sorry, P900, yeah, okay.
That's massive. That's very big.
This is still not the biggest. The biggest, I think, is the P1000. Now this is, again, it's a heavier camera. Again, point and shoot, but bigger lens, 83 times zoom. Decent camera, again, lovely screen, and very bright viewfinder. Have a look.
This one's quite heavy. You can
Yeah.
tell from the lens. Eh?
Yeah, you like it, eh?
Looks like you can give some amazing shots in the game drive.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Maybe you can recommend this camera to your clients.
for sure.
who come on safari.
Yes.
Yeah?
This would be lovely. I'd like to try this out.
Sure. I'll even show you a bigger one.
This
Oh
big
yeah,
one is-
oh yeah. Show me the biggest brother of the point and shoot family. Thank you. Wow.
Wow.
This is a giant.
Yes.
Can you imagine? It's 125 times zoom. This is heavy beast, but beautiful camera nevertheless. This actually can take photographs of the moon,
No way.
and you can see all the detail of the moon.
That's amazing.
So you don't have to get a spacecraft to go and shoot the moon. You can be sitting here and taking photograph of the moon with this camera.
Wow.
This is the top line of the point and shoot camera.
I find it delicate to hold.
Yeah,
It's very heavy. It's quite heavy.
probably heavier
I
than
really,
you.
not heavier than me.
No?
But I love this screen that tilts to the
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
All these knobs.
And see the zoom.
Yeah.
It's 3,000 millimeter lens. Can you imagine? 3,000 millimeter lens.
And it can still shoot 4K.
Yeah, yeah. It's lovely camera for video. Wow. Pop-up screen. The whole works.
Wow.
I can see you already fallen in love with this.
I really
Yeah?
have. I love this camera. It's
Good.
amazing.
Well, I'm happy you have enjoyed that camera.
Yeah.
Any questions you have before we move to the second stage?
About the point and shoot?
Yeah.
Well, I can see you have one that's
Oh yeah,
waterproof.
yeah, I forgot to tell you. This is nothing to do with point and shoot, but it's still point and shoot. Show me the underwater. Now, I think they have 3 models of this underwater camera. This is the Cool Pigs 300, is it?
Yes.
Now, you like snorkeling, don't you?
Yes.
So this would be an ideal camera for you when you want to go underwater.
Yeah.
Yeah? Have a look.
I love that it's very compact.
Compact,
Yeah, and
clean, neat.
very. And you don't need a special case.
You don't need anything. You just go underwater with this and take all those beautiful fish down there.
Yes.
Yeah.
This would be amazing.
So that's your next camera when you go to Watamu, huh?
Yes,
Yeah?
definitely.